Today, I am organizing and decluttering under my kitchen sink. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is Tuesday, so that means it is a tiny, tidy Tuesday. As always, I would love to thank the talented Sunday Dawn for putting tiny, tidy Tuesdays together and adding all of us into a playlist, and I would encourage you to click on the link to her channel in my description box along with the link of the other playlist. On Tuesdays, I always get so much motivation from the tiny tidies. So like I said, in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning under my kitchen, in the cabinet under my kitchen sink. I have not touched this cabinet since before getting sick. And so it has old products, it just has a lot of things that need to be replaced. And so a lot of this stuff I think I'm going to throw away. Just like I did with my closet clean out, if you watched that, I'm going to be doing a kitchen clean out, and I'm going to be doing it in parts again because it just helps me to do a small part each day, and then I feel accomplished and achieved and like I've done something and I've accomplished something, but I don't have this whole task of doing everything in one day. By the end of this project, I want to have touched everything in my kitchen. I want it to be decluttered, and you know, some of the things I've already done, so I probably won't show you. Just like in my closet, there were some things that I did not show you. But whenever I finish all the parts, I will put it together once again into one whole big video of tiny tidies. But today it's just under the kitchen sink. When I do a project that seems overwhelming, like sometimes the kitchen can seem overwhelming because you have a lot of cabinets, you've got refrigerator, pantry, just a lot of stuff, right? So I like to make it as fun as possible. So a couple of tips that I have in doing that is maybe sitting down and sketching out how many things you have, like sketching out the number of cabinets you have and where they're located. And each time you do one, maybe coloring that off. And it doesn't have to be a work of art, or writing down like glass cabinet, dishes cabinet, utility drawer, towel drawer, under the kitchen sink, and putting that on sticky notes and folding it up and picking one out of a jar each day to kind of help motivate you to just do one thing a day, or once a week, or however you want to break that down. You could also stick sticky notes up on your cabinets or on your drawers, or like even inside them, and then once you complete that, you can take that sticky note off. Those are just a few suggestions that I have. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments because I love to hear them. But sometimes just being competitive by nature, sometimes like having these little, I don't know, where I can check something off or visually see it, it really helps me and inspires me to get the project done. And I do have several cabinets in here, like under the kitchen sink, that have not been touched since I got sick in 2020. So I decided that, most of the projects under the kitchen sink, they're probably going to be thrown away. I've already reordered a lot of them. I do have my home broken down into zones, and in each zone I have an area where I keep the cleaning products for that particular zone. That happens to be here in my kitchen under the kitchen sink. I keep the products that I clean my kitchen, my family room, and my office. Those are all in the same zone. Those are all part of zone 3 that I have. So I sat down and I wrote out a list of products that I needed for those particular rooms, and I got on Grove and I tried to reorder everything, but I know that there are going to be some things that I'm probably going to need to pick up or reorder. But I have some boxes to kind of help me sort whenever I do this. I'm not sure if they're going to be big enough, but I used to keep some bigger ones on hand, but I just have these. But I'm going to do a container of reorder or repurchase. because I'm sure that everything's pretty much expired. I'm going to do a container for trash. I'm going to do a container for donate, because I'm sure I might have some products that some other people could enjoy, because I know, like, on my Grove I got some soaps that I did not like the smell of, that I do not want, that I could pass those on. And I have a fourth container, and that's for things that I'm going to put back in to the cabinet under the sink. And then I have a basket in the floor that has all of my newer products that I want to make sure that I put back in. So this is going to be mainly a throwaway, but it is a hot mess under this kitchen sink. So I'm a little embarrassed to show you guys, but let's get started. So are you ready to see it? Yes. This is what it looks like. It is so embarrassing, but by the end of this video, it's going to be nice and clean and tidy. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jen. I make a variety of videos here on my channel. I am a former teacher and love teaching you guys how to do things. I love cleaning, organizing, cooking, all the things, and I would so love for you to be part of my YouTube family. I am also a heart failure survivor and a heart warrior. I am starting by removing everything from the cabinet, and I had this protective layer put down, and it was so dirty that I ended up taking it up and throwing it away. I'm going to reorder another one, but in the meantime I just gave the cabinet a good scrub.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. Do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. More than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, 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 I can't believe you love me. Oh, 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 I just feel so lucky. Oh, 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 still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me.
I have two dogs, and this dog that continues to smell the soaps, her name is Lily, and she is a teddy bear breed, and no, she is not chewing anything, she's not putting her mouth on anything, she just wants to know what I have out. So she was just smelling the soap, so she was not in any danger or anything like that, so do not worry about that part of it. You know how dogs just like to know exactly what you're doing, so she just kind of wanted to smell and see what I had out, and now she's obviously gone and moved on to something else, but she's not a puppy, so she's not going to put any of it in her mouth.
So lucky, oh, 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 still can't believe you love me.
Okay, so after taking everything out, I have some soap refills. I obviously don't need to order any more of those for a while. I have some dishwashing liquids. I have this box of stuff and I need to wash at the bottom. I have this container of stuff and I need to wash the container and everything in it. I'm going to do that now in a minute, and I'm going to use the Dawn Power Wash. So these are the things in this box. I put things that I need to replace. So I need to replace a stovetop cleaner, and I need to replace the bartender's keeper. These are just some extra sponges and things that I might use. I have this container that I'm going to put my dishwashing pods in, and then I have these two containers with the stuff that I'm going to donate. I have soaps, and I have, I think, a lotion in there, just a few little things to donate. And then I have this basket of the more recently purchased stuff. So this basket right here, these things, and this with some stuff in it will be the only things in the little container with the paintbrushes and toothbrushes that I can clean like small things with, and this will be the only things going back in. And this is what my trash can looks like. It's completely filled. It has all kinds of different things in it and things that I just did not need or use anymore, and that's it.
Never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night. No, I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California.
So this is what it looks like now. I have my gloves on the door. I have my soap refills, my dishwashing soap. I have my dishwashing pods. I have my cleaning supplies and some microfiber cloths and sponges. I did order some more things to go in here, so I did put an extra container for some overflow. Then I have a sponge and my garbage disposal, and I have some brushes for some tight places that you might clean, and I have a sponge right here. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Do not forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel along with the Tiny Tidy playlist, and I will see you on Friday for some fall decorating. Have a great week. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.